let's discuss about how to install Tableau Desktop for our users in the next video. First of all, you go to Google and type Tableau Desktop download. So here one pages is visible, that is the download Tableau Desktop. So you need to create an account on Tableau website before creating. So you have to require some first name, last name, business email, organizations, company size, department, job role, and country name and phone number. You need to create this account. After creation of this account, you need to download the Tableau free trial, that is a 14-day trial. So after creating, I have already account. So after creating, this is the account. So this is your Tableau Desktop. Start your free trial 14 rate, almost there. You have to select the company size and click here. After clicking here, a file will be downloaded, and this file will be used in our system for installation part. You have to run this file and the Tableau Desktop is ready. So this is the user interface of this Tableau Desktop. So in this next video, we will discuss about the user interface of this Tableau Desktop.